Hello all. I am Martin Luther King Jr. I am here today to speak with you about creating and organizing. I have a dream that by the end of this lesson you will have learned how to work with the Favorites toolbar. We will start on the Internet Course Guide in Lesson 5, Creating and Organizing Favorites. Now let's see how to create our own favorites and organize them into folders. First, go to the website www.salemlionsbasketball.com. Once at the site, make it a favorite by clicking on Favorites, then Add to Favorites. The Add Favorite dialog box in the name box shows the name of the website, Lions Den. This is the name that will appear on your favorite list once you click on the OK button. But you can change this name to whatever you wish. Just sweep or drag your mouse over the name or part of the name that is already in the name box, and type in the name change that you prefer to use for the website. Let's learn how to change a favorite name. It's important that you know how to change a favorite's name because when you make a favorite of some sites, the name appearing in the name box is not helpful in identifying the content of the site. For example, if you go to Football Hall of Fame website www.profootballhof.com, you will see only the words Homepage in the name box of the Add Favorite window, the same words that appear in your browser's title bar at the top of your browser's window. Changing Homepage Site Title. The Pro Football Hall of Fame is a 501(c)(3) nonprofit educational museum. So what is this site about? Your support allows us to continue our mission to continually honor those people who have made amazing contributions to the sport of pro football and to educate the public about this important part of American heritage. I changed the favorite name Homepage to a name that would help me recall the content of this website. When weeks or months later I am searching through my long list favorites, I want the favorite name to give me more information about the content on the Pro Football Hall of Fame site. How can I make the change? I select the original name and then typed in Pro Football Hall of Fame. Weeks or months later when I go through my long list of my favorites, I will know the content of the site based on my favorite name. After clicking and dragging my mouse pointer over Homepage to select this text, I just type over the selected text to change the favorite name to something much more specific. Pro Football Hall of Fame. Let's make 5 more favorites. Go to the top of this page now. Go to the website listed below where it says Adding a Favorite. Go to www.gordonrichard.com/career/category.htm. Now go to 5 more sites in the suggested website list under the Careers category. Make each of these careers sites a favorite. In each case, if the name of the site in the name box will do a poor job identifying the site for you later when you see it on your favorites list, then change the name so that it will serve as a good reminder to you of what the site is all about. I will give you a few minutes to do this task. Mr. Wade Swift, would you be so kind as to make sure the students complete this task before I move on? He is a very busy man, so I am for sure he has been working back at his desk while you have been listening to me. I will tell you what, he is busier than a one-arm wallpaper hanger. Are we done yet? No. Keep working. You have a couple of more minutes. Please, let's not be picky on the sites we are using as favorites. We will later learn how to delete these favorites. Mr. Wade Swift. If they are not done yet, please let me know so that I do not begin without everyone together. Are we having fun yet? I know this is a lot, but this is useful information. How many of you have cluttered computers with files and favorites just anywhere? I know that Mr. Wade Swift's favorite folder is organized. Mr. Wade Swift, show them your favorites folder, please. Look at that, not a misplaced favorite. You guys should really listen to Mr. Wade Swift. He is what I call an expert on organizing. Man, I wish I was like him. You're the bomb. Now let's look at organizing our favorites. Let's look at creating favorite folders. As the weeks and months go by, you will have so many favorites that when you open your favorite list, your favorites will be spread across your screen. You will be looking at so many favorites that it will be difficult for you to spot the one you want to use. To make it easier for you to find a favorite among the many listed across your screen, you can create folders, organizing your individual favorites within category folders. To make a folder, click on Favorites, then Organize Favorites, and then click on the New Folder button. You will see a new folder in blue, ready for you to give the folder a name. Give it the name Career. That is C-A-R-E-E-R, again C-A-R-E-E-R. Let's learn how to move favorites into folders. Next, move all your 5 career favorites into the Career folder. Select a single favorite, and then click on Move to Folder button. You will have the option of selecting a folder you want the favorite to go into. Follow the same procedure until you have moved all your career favorites into the Career folder. Now, whenever you want to find a favorite related to careers, you will click on Favorites on your Explorer toolbar. Move your mouse down to the Career folder, and individual favorites within that folder will appear. Click on the specific career favorite you want, and off you will go to that career website. Great. I hope you guys have got it. Now what I want you to do is show Mr. Wade Swift you know what you are doing. So let's show him by creating, renaming, and organizing more favorites. Mr. Wade Swift will put the directions to this activity on the board. You are going to go to the home page on the Internet Course Guide and make this a favorite. Then you are going to make sure the name for this favorite is Internet Course Guide and create a folder called Technology. Technology is spelled T-E-C-H-N-O-L-O-G. Why again that is T-E-C-H-N-O-L-O-G-Y. Then you are going to Mr. Wade Swift's web page at www.mrwadeswift.org. Add this to your favorites. Now go to John Harrell's Indiana High School basketball homepage at indianahsbasketball.homestead.com. Add this to your favorites. Change the name to Indiana High School Basketball. Now go to the National History Day website at www.nhd.org. Add this to your favorites. Rename it as National History Day. The last website you will go to is the Indiana National History Day. www.nhd.org/indianapage.htm. Add this to your favorites. Rename it as Indiana National History Day. Now create new folders in your favorites folder. Make a social studies, basketball, and education folders and put your new favorites in the correct folders. That is all for today. Have a good day and have fun. Remember to treat everyone with respect and do your best.